Most people use AI by asking it to complete a task. Write this email, summarize this document, or give me ideas. That works, but one of the easiest ways to get better results is to tell AI what role you want it to play before it answers. This is called act as if prompting. You are basically saying, act as if you are a specific type of expert, helper, reviewer, coach, or audience member. That extra context helps AI decide what kind of answer to give, what details matter, and what perspective to use. For example, compare these two prompts. First, review this email. That is okay, but it is very broad. Instead, try something like, act as if you are a hiring manager, and then include additional parameters. That second version tells AI what lens to use, which is key. You are not just asking AI to answer, you are asking it to answer from a specific perspective. Let's look at some other examples. Instead of asking, how can I get better at interviews? Try, act as if you are an interview coach, and then include details about the job role and more. This changes AI from a search tool into a practice partner. You can use this same pattern for sales calls, presentations, difficult conversations, language practice, or public speaking. For another example, we can ask AI to act as a skeptical expert. Instead of asking, is this idea good? Try, act as if you are a skeptical business advisor, and then set expectations. This is one of my favorite uses because it helps you avoid the echo chamber problem. AI can be very encouraging, but sometimes you need it to challenge your thinking. By assigning the role of a skeptical expert, you are giving it permission to be more critical and useful. Here is the simple formula. Act as if you are role. Help me with task. Focus on specific criteria. Give the answer in format. So use act as if you are a teacher, act as if you are a customer, act as if you are a hiring manager, a patient tutor, or a busy executive who only has 2 minutes. The important thing is to choose a role that matches the kind of help you actually need. But there is one important thing to keep in mind. AI is not actually that person. It is not a real lawyer, doctor, financial advisor, etc. So for high-stakes decisions, use it to prepare, organize, and think through ideas, but do not treat it as a substitute for a qualified professional. So the next time AI gives you something too broad or generic, try adding act as if. Instead of getting a generic answer, you get an answer shaped around the role, audience, and outcome you care about. That small shift can make the response much more useful.